This morning I want to show you how to replace a relay in your car. That if it's a fan relay that switches on the fan and the radiator, mine went wrong or faulty, and then the fan keeps on running. What I did, I take a normal high amp relay and I just modify the position inside where the relay was, just for the interim until you can get to the garage and fix it or buy a new one. I actually was still driving like a year from it happened, still with a modified relay inside the fuse box. Let me show you. It's a bit rainy here today. The light is not so nice, but I'll try it still. Inside here the car is the fuse box. Let's open the fuse box. Okay, there you can see. Here was the position of the relay, where that relay was in here. Here's a normal 12 volt there's a 12 volt relay that you can use. What I did here, you just figure out the coil and the normally open contact, and then you just go and you plug it in here in that positions where that relay was before, but it does the same job, exactly the same. You can just find a little thing here, find a space for it here. You can maybe glue it in here with a hot glue. I just put some hot glue in here just for vibration, so that the thing doesn't come loose. See, here's the other relay, almost the same one sitting here. You can do the same thing with it, and there's other types of relays. I'm not exactly sure why this relay doesn't look like this, but only the manufacturer will understand. Okay, so this is a way to modify the relay for the fan. Is the fan that runs the electric fan by the radiator. You can then switch the fan on and off. Alright, let's close the thing here. Close here. Close the thing. That's it. Nobody can see it, and your car is fixed for now. Let's go see how the relay looks inside. Alright, let's see how the relay looks inside. There's obviously two points for the coil and two for the relay contact. This is a 12 volt 15 amp relay, and there's normally a circuit diagram printed on the side there. 1 and 2 is the coil, and 3 and 4 is the normally open contact. Looks like a normally closed. We'll open it now. You just take a screwdriver and you undo here. It's come loose. See, there's the parts inside. See, the coil sits inside here. Inside there is the coil. You can try to remove it. There's the stuff coming out. All get a screwdriver. See, there's the coil. See, there's the coil inside here, and here's the contacts. Obviously this whole pins here just feed the coil on the top there, and here's the contact here inside there. This is the one that burns normally. You can see the black inside there. Then it stops working. You can see that the brass part, the brass pins is the contact, and the other two, when you can see when it, I think what normally it pulls and then it opens, and it normally, when it relaxes, there's a normally close. It is they call it a fail-safe operation. If the car there's something goes wrong with the relay, it will always relax in the safe operation. It will let the fan run, and rather not, otherwise your car will overheat. That's it. There's a lot of space. Rather take your old one with to the Toyota garage, or to get the right code, to get the right footprint, if you want to replace it with a real genuine one. Thank you.